Surviving in the wild demands strategy, preparation, and sometimes teamwork. But here's the million-dollar question. When venturing out with a group, should everyone bring their own gear, or can you rely on sharing? Today, I'm going to break down this often overlooked aspect of group survival, sharing practical tips that can make all the difference when the stakes are high. First and foremost, let's talk about why having your own basic gear is crucial. Picture this: you're out in the wilderness with friends, and night falls faster than expected. If only one person brought a headlamp, you're in trouble. Everyone should be equipped with essentials like a reliable flashlight, water purification tools, a fire starter, and a basic first aid kit. These items ensure that each member remains self-sufficient in case the group is forced to split or if equipment is lost or damaged. That said, some items can be shared among the group. Think about weighty or space-consuming items, such as cooking pots, tents, or larger water containers. By divvying up shared responsibilities, you reduce load and improve group mobility. Just make sure roles are clearly defined. If John has the only camp stove, everyone should know he's responsible for it and be prepared to adapt if he can't reach the camp on time. Another essential survival tip is redundancy. Each person should carry a backup for the critical items. For instance, while one person may have a heavy-duty knife, others should have smaller blades or multi-tools. This kind of redundancy ensures that if any gear goes missing or breaks, your group won't be left vulnerable. Trust me, when the unexpected happens, and it will, having overlapping supplies can prevent a minor inconvenience from spiraling into a major survival issue. Lastly, coordination is king. Before setting out, your group should plan who carries what and discuss the plan for unexpected scenarios. A quick checklist shared among members ensures nothing essential is forgotten. Simple but effective, this strategy can make or break a survival outing. Communication doesn't end there. Regular check-ins during the trek help track everyone's status and gear condition. To recap, in a survival situation, individual readiness is non-negotiable. Make sure everyone in your group has their own core essentials while selectively sharing heavier items to stay efficient. Prioritize redundancy for key tools and maintain strong communication from start to finish. Now, it's your turn to gear up. Review your current survival pack, ensure you have your own essentials, and coordinate with your group before heading out. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving advice. Remember, preparation is the key to survival. Stay prepared, stay safe, and see you in the next adventure.